Today I am building a Squarespace website for selling digital art and photography. I will show you how I'm going to set everything up, so let's get started. So I built this website called Botanical Art Prints, and basically what I want to do is sell access to a collection of digital art and photography so people can download the files and then print them off themselves. Squarespace does have some native selling features and membership functionality and all of that, but what a lot of online business owners find with those features is that they are a little bit limited and they're not super flexible. So when you go to scale your business, a lot of people find that challenging to do with those native features. So I am going to be using a tool called MemberSpace that is going to just be installed right on the Squarespace website. It just makes it really easy to turn any kind of online community or audience into a powerful membership. So I've created a new MemberSpace account and now it's asking me, where will your MemberSpace live? I'm going to click use my existing website. Obviously we're on Squarespace. The website URL is botanical, if I can spell, botanicalartprints.com, and then the business name, Botanical Art Prints. And then I'll click next. Now I'm going to install MemberSpace on the Squarespace website. So I will just grab this snippet of code and then head back to my website. So I'll go to website, pages, custom code, code injection, and then paste that snippet of code right here in the header and click save. Now I'm going to open up my website and there's this little members button in the bottom right corner. And basically my customers will be able to click that button and log in to access all of the files that they have purchased from my website. Speaking of those files, let's add them to MemberSpace. Now I'm going to upload all of the image files that I want to sell access to on my website to MemberSpace. So to do that, I'm going to click add a space and title it. My first collection of images is going to be a black and white collection of prints. So we'll call it black and white prints. And then I'll click add now. Now I'm going to upload all of the different image files by clicking add content and then add file. If I had other types of content, I could also do, like if I had videos or links to like templates or things like that, I could do that here. But I'm going to go with the file option and go through and add all of my individual files that are within this collection. And then I'll add a cover image as well so people can see the image before they click to download it. Okay, I've got everything in this collection uploaded, but now I'm going to reorder them because they're out of order. In the future, at some point, I might upload like different sizes of images that people can download. Like maybe they want an 8x10, 11x14. So I'd probably do like a new folder for that to organize by sizes. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as it is and create a pricing plan for this collection. I'm going to go ahead and create a pricing plan for that collection that I just created. I want to go ahead with a one-time payment so people just pay me once and then they get lifetime access for the images. So I'll call the plan name black and white prints. Payment amount, we'll say $5, which spaces can be accessed, black and white prints, and then create this plan. And I can always create more pricing plans in the future as I expand my site and add more content. I can bundle collections together. I can set up like a full-blown membership site around this if I want to do like a monthly subscription to all of my different images, things like that. So tons of flexibility as far as what MemberSpace allows you to do with your pricing plans. All right, final thing I need to do is grab the sign up link right here from MemberSpace and go back to my website and add it to a call to action button so people have a way to sign up and pay for access to my prints. So I'll go ahead and do that. Click edit. And I added a section to my website to promote the specific collection with a call to action button where I can add that link right here. So let me paste it in. Okay. We'll see if it worked. Click purchase. And there is a sign up form. So that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and go through the sign up process so I can make sure everything works before I officially say that I'm done. Okay, perfect. Let's see how it looks. Awesome. Everything looks good. So if, customers want to favorite which ones they like best, they can do that and then access those. If they want to click on one of the images and save it, they can easily do that. So everything looks good. Okay, that took just about 5 minutes to set up with Squarespace and MemberSpace. So if you are trying to do the same thing and sell your digital artwork or photography on your website, please let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.